Hello everyone, here is your OnBase Quick Bites tip of the day, and it has to deal with revising your Unity form. Now in the past, whenever you would publish a new version of your Unity form, it was a day forward change, or you would have to go in and build a really quick workflow that converts the old version of the form to the new version of the form. But now you can navigate into the advanced options, go into actions, and you can update your form instance. Now, this comes with a couple of warnings to look at your Unity form MRG, perform a backup of your database, and make this change after hours. But what it allows you to do, it allows you to select a specific version of your form and assign that template to every form of that type within your entire system. That's pretty cool. So if you notice that you've published a form and now there's a bunch of issues with it, you can also revert back to previous versions or the original version of that form. I hope this alleviates a lot of pain that you've been going through when publishing Unity forms in your environment.